What if I told you that everything that you do, what you eat, think, see, and feel, not only affects your body, but also the invisible energy field around you? In this video, I am diving into how to make your aura powerful by aligning your inner world and outer worlds based on a timeless wisdom and practical tips. Today, I am somewhere special that brings me so much peace, and I hope that it does the same thing for you. So, let's get started. Your aura is your own personal electromagnetic field and energy reflection of your mind, body, and spirit. But here's the deeper truth: your aura isn't just shaped by what's around you, it is profoundly impacted by what's within you. This brings us to one of the most powerful Hermetic principles: as above, so below, as within, so without. The principle of correspondence. This principle teaches us that the universe is mirrored in every part of our lives. Just as the planets affects us, so does our internal state shape the world that we experience. As above, so below. What does that mean? What happens on a grand scale in the universe reflects what happens on our own lives. Think of how the moon influences the tides and your emotions. Remember, we are 40 to 60% made out of water. As within, so without. The energy you cultivate within through your thoughts, emotions, and even what you consume manifests on the outside. A calm, nourished inner world creates a radiant, balanced aura, the same as the opposite. A chaotic or neglected inner state leads to an aura that feels cluttered or drained. What you put in your body matters. So focus on high vibrational foods. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole foods which elevate your vibration. Processed, heavy, or sugary foods weigh down your energy, creating in your aura. Of course, we live in a world where our food is mostly poisoned. Eating healthy foods seems like a luxury nowadays. However, implement the changes that you can control right now. Instead of going out every single day, try to cook at home with organic ingredients. Hydration. Water is a conductor of energy. Staying hydrated keeps your energy flowing smoothly. I have always been obsessed with water. However, I often hear people say that they don't like the taste of it. Water is here to hydrate us, not for pleasure, people. What you put on your body also matters. Remember that your skin is an organ and everything you put on affects your energy field. So focus on natural skincare, use organic, toxin free products to avoid harmful chemicals to your system. What you surround yourself with also affects your aura. It is not just about what you consume, it's what you see, what you hear, and what you touch. Your sensory experiences are constantly shaping your energy. Focus on a visual diet. Surround yourself with beauty, nature, art, and clean spaces. Clutter or chaos in your environment can cloud your aura. The same goes with music. Music can help you heal and harmonize your energy field. Listen to high vibrational music. It doesn't always have to be the typical meditative music, but music that still aligns with your lifestyle. Now, the same goes, like I always say, the opposite is true. Maybe you need something to ground you. Music that involves drums and other low vibrational instruments is also great for you. So don't take away from being low vibrational instruments. We also need that in our lives. The key is to be neutral most of the time. Harsh or negative sounds like constant arguments or loud, chaotic environments can disrupt your aura. And of course, the same thing goes with the people that are surrounding you. Relationships matter. Who you sleep with matters. Spend time with uplifting, positive people and set boundaries with those who drain your energy. Inner work creates external results. Your aura is like a mirror, it reflects what's happening within you. When you prioritize self care, nourish your body with high vibrational foods, and choose positivity in your thoughts, your aura will naturally become stronger, brighter, and more magnetic. But when you neglect yourself, let toxic relationships linger, or consume harmful substances, your aura becomes weak and vulnerable. This is why not everything is external, it starts within. So, this is how you make your aura powerful. Always remember: cleanse, recharge, and protect. Cleanse. This is an easy one. Everybody talks about this. Energetic showers, sage, sound healing. Everybody talks about protecting yourself, ground yourself through visualization. Use crystals, create energetic shields and maintain strong boundaries. If you ever feel that you are in a situation where you don't feel protective, just visualize yourself creating an egg that is creating different mirrors, and this mirror, it is facing the outside like that. When they see you, they're looking at themselves. Just remember that every time that you do this, you are creating a shield to protect your physical body, your mental body, and your spiritual body. The last one that I always say that most people tend to forget is that nobody talks about how to recharge your aura. And the best way that you can do this, and the fastest way, in my opinion, is eat high vibrational foods. Meditate with crystals. If you do not like to meditate, that is okay. Put the crystals around you so they can do that for you. They can work with you because them alone are high vibrational tools. And also visualize your aura expanding. When you align your inner world with your external environment, your aura becomes a force of nature, both a shield and a magnet for the energy you wish to attract. Your aura is your most personal and powerful asset. By nurturing what's within and curating what's around you, you are shaping not just your energy but your life. So here's my challenge. This week, focus on one thing, whether it's your diet, your space, or your relationship, and notice how it impacts your energy. Share your experience in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.